Words cannot express the tremendous grief our nation is experiencing over the passing away of a legendary Goan from my very own Parra village. Ex-Chief Minister of Goa, ex-Defence Minister of our country, India, our own Bhai, late Manohar Gopal Krishna Prabhu Parrikar. Let our silence in this house speak that words can't. Goans will always remember you. All I can say, you are our eye in the sky. Speaking on late ex-Deputy Chief Minister Shri Francis D'Souza, a man, a simple, a humble, a person who joined our ex-Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar 23 years back. And at that particular time, I think he was the first leader of the minority who joined Shri Manohar Parrikar and the BJP. And he also showed us the way. And I can only say that we are missing him in this house. He used to always guide me and tell me so many things. He has also guided me in this house, how to speak and what to do. I am also speaking today on a great orator, a speaker, our ex-deputy speaker of this August House, Vishnu Surya Wagh. म्हाका दिसता तेचे असलो ओरेटर ह्या हावजान नासलो. जी ओरेटरी करतालो, जे स्पीकिंग करतालो टू द पॉइंट, and he used to bring the real issues of Goa in this house. We are missing him today. And I would request this August House and also the government of the day, जे Honorable Sudin Davlikaran म्हटला की जुवारी ब्रिजांचे नाव मनोहर बाईच्या फाटल्यान आमी दवरतले, असोच आमचो विष्णू सुर्या वाघा खातीर आमच्या कला अकॅडमीन एक आर्ट गॅलरी धाकटुली करची असो म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट.
कल्चर मिनिस्टर
आनी म्हापसाचो नेवो बस स्टँड जो तुमच्या अंडर येवपाचो आहा ताका फ्रांसीस डिसुजाचें नांव घालचें, हें आमचें रिक्वेस्ट आहा to the Honorable Chief Minister and to the PWD Minister.